Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture lead source data in Framer forms so that you can ultimately track where all your leads and customers are coming from. Let's jump in.
Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google ads, how many customers you got from your Facebook ads, or how much revenue was generated from your SEO efforts.
Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. For a Framer site, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section, and paste it into the box at the bottom. You can also use tools like Google Tag Manager to add it in as well. Now go to the form that you want Attributor to work with, select the Assets tab, and create a new code file. Give it a name like Attributor, and then copy and paste the code from the help article on our website into the file. Finally, drag and drop the code file into your form. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured with the form submission. You can then send it to a Google Sheet, or send it to your CRM, or anything else you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.